This video has the 12-bar blues chords fingerstyle and pull-offs and hammer-ons for the pentatonic scale. First, we'll do the 12-bar blues chords fingerstyle. Put your index finger on the third string from the bottom, third string, middle on the second string, ring on the first string. Arch your wrist a little bit, not a lot, just not like that. Just a little bit. Plant your fingers on the strings and pull up and do free strokes. They just kind of come up into your palm like that. And later they hardly move at all. If you want to carry them all the way up into your palm, keeping your thumb in a thumbs up or thumb sideways position, that's how those fingers work. Put your thumb on the sixth string, grab all four. It's a great sound. Fingerstyle chords. Make your E7. I'm going to use the E string and the bass. Play some of those. Plant, pluck, plant, pluck, plant, pluck, plant, pluck. Go to A7. The thumb now, these three fingers stay on home base. This thumb goes to the A string. Remember, elephants are dancing. So for the A7th chord, you play the A string. Let's try some of those. Plant, pluck, plant, pluck, plant. Get a good feel of the strings. Pluck, plant, pluck. Good. For B7, you still use the A string because the A string takes care of A, B, and C chords. Get your B7. Plant, pluck, plant, pluck, plant, pluck, plant, pluck. Now let's do the 12-bar blues. Rest your hands a little bit. Let them relax. Let the muscles get recharged. Here we go. Slowly, 12-bar blues. E7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A7. E7. 4 more. A7th. Four more. E7. Four more. Here comes B7th, fifth string. A7, fifth string. E7, sixth. B7. One E7. Let's do it a little faster if that was okay. Try it a little faster. Ready, go. Pretty soon it'll be okay, let's go over the pentatonic scale, pull-offs and hammer-ons. Play the first note of your pentatonic scale the normal way. Play the open string with this finger. Curl up. Pluck the string with your fourth finger. Hold it down again. Pluck it. Pull off. Hold it down. Pluck it. Pull off. All right. Second string. Remember, on all the lower strings, we do a rest stroke with this finger. Here we go. Play the second string, third fret, the normal way with this finger. Do a pull off. Do a rest stroke, come to rest against that first string. One more time. Play it, pluck it down here. Pull off. Okay, so let's do 4 of those all the way down, then hammers coming back. Ready? Go. First string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Second string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third string, second finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sixth string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hammers. Pluck the open. Hit. 2, 3, 4. Fifth string. 2, 3, 4. Fourth string. Third. Second with your pinky. Fourth finger. First string. Lift it high, but keep it curled. There we go. Hammers and pull-offs.